Hello everyone, welcome back to Science Curry. In today's video, we are going to see interfacing of micro SD card module with Arduino. This is a micro SD card reader module, which is also known as micro SD card adapter. Is a simple solution for transferring data to and from a standard SD card. In this tutorial, I am going to show you some basic operations like creating a file, writing data into the file and reading the data from the file on the SD card. The first step is preparation of the micro SD card. Before you insert the micro SD card into the module, it is important that you format the card properly. Even if your card is new, it is advisable to format the card before inserting it into the module.
Now I will show you how to format the SD card. For that, insert the card into your phone. Go to settings, click on device care. Then you can see storage. Click on storage. Then you will see SD card. Click on SD card. After SD card, go to storage settings. There again you can see SD card. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will get a confirmation to format the SD card. Click on format and format the SD card. Now your SD card is successfully formatted and ready to use. Now let us insert the SD card into the module. Once you insert the SD card, you will get a click sound. Now it is inserted.
Before moving on to the practicals, let us have a look at the pinout of SD card module. This module has 6 pins, VCC and ground for power supply. MISO, master in slave out, is a SPI output from the micro SD card module. MOSI, master out slave in, is a SPI input to the micro SD card module. SCK, serial clock, this pin accepts clock pulses which synchronize data transmission generated by Arduino. CS, this is the chip select pin.
The materials required are micro SD card module, Arduino Uno board and some connecting wires.
So without any further ado, let's see the circuit connection.
Now let us connect pin VCC of the module to 5 volt on Arduino. Now let us connect ground to ground of Arduino. Now let us connect pin MISO of the module to pin 12 on Arduino. Now let us connect pin MOSI of the module to pin 11 on Arduino. Now let us connect pin CSK of the module to pin 13 on Arduino. Now let us connect pin CS to pin number 4 on Arduino. Now connect your Arduino to the computer.
Before uploading the actual program, let us check if the SD card is properly formatted or not. For that, go to File, click on Examples, go to SD and select Card Info. Now upload this program. Once it is uploaded, go to Tools and select Serial Monitor. Then you will see a screen like this. Here you can see the card is properly formatted and there are no files found on the card. Now open the SD card read-write program and upload it. In this program, we are going to create a file on the SD card named test1. In the file, we are going to write, "This is my new file," and then we are going to close the file. Then we are going to again open the file and read from it and print the same text on the serial monitor. So now let us check and open the serial monitor. As you can see, we have successfully created a file named test1 on the SD card. We have written data into the file, then read the data and printed the same data on the serial monitor. Now let us create another file on the SD card named test2. In this file we are going to write the data. This is my second file. Now let's see the serial monitor. Now let us run the program card info and check if there are two files created on the SD card. Here now you can see the two files which we have created on the SD card, test1 and test2 are seen. I hope you understood the interfacing of micro SD card module with Arduino. Do give it a try. See you in the next session. Until we meet, bye bye.